Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here benzene is there. You have amine. The amine attached with 2 ethyl group. Then you are reacting with secondary butyl lithium and DMEDA and methyl iodide. You have to find what will be the final product. Here we are going to learn new concept which is directed ortholithiation. Simply ortholithiation. It will guide the incoming group to the ortho position. Normally the coordinating groups are called guiding group or ortholithiating group. What really it do is it forms 6-member transition state with lithium. Here if you look at it, nitrogen is there, hydrogen is there, lithium, butyl and amine form stable 6-member state and it promotes the hydrogen elimination. So hydrogen eliminates, you have anion formation, then just mirror as methyl substitution there. So final product is ortho-directed product. It's a very specific one. Here the concept you have to learn here is directed ortholithiation. Ortholithiation promotes the substitution in the ortho position. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.